Hello YouTube! Today we are making a yummy rapini salad served with microwaved anchovies. Here I have pre-cooked, boiled these rapini already. Cut them in pieces. They look like these before cutting, like these. And we have ginger, grated, red onions, cut up tomatoes. We have green onions, lemon, salt, freshly ground black pepper, and mix well. And our salad is ready to enjoy. Please don't forget to subscribe. Until next time, I will see you soon. Thank you all for watching. Smells so good already. Anchovies.